So now let's see how we can work around with the replace color option inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with the replace color option, first of all, you need to go around onto the image menu and then go to adjustment right here. And over here you can see that replace color is an option. So if I were to go around and change around the fuzziness right here, then you can see that I can change around how the color looks. You can go around and replace a particular color right here. Take a sample, let's say for example right here, just like this, to this color, press OK, and this particular color can be controlled. You can change around the fuzziness, you can change around the hue, and that particular color will be changed, as you can see right here. Even the reflection with the same color. You can change the saturation for that particular color right here, and even the lightness for that particular color, as you can see right here. So you get this kind of an effect. Let me just go around onto image adjustment and then go to replace color right here. And if I were to go around over here, I can click on, let's say for example, the blue sky right here, press OK, and then you can change around the fuzziness of the blue sky, as you can see right here, and then change around the hue of the sky as well, just like this. I can go around, change around the sky color right here, just like this, change around the saturation as well, and the lightness level of the sky as well. Press OK, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with the replace color option inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.